is all you'll need for a delicious, smooth, silky lime curd. Some limes, you can of course substitute those for lemons if you want to make lemon curd. Some butter, some eggs and some caster sugar. The first things we're going to do is give your limes a wash, and then we're going to take the pith. Make sure you don't get any of the white stuff, that's quite bitter. You just want the green stuff, green zest into there, and then we're going to juice all 4 limes into the same bowl. With your limes prepared, it's time to go into a bowl with 2 egg yolks and 3 whole eggs and your sugar, and you're just going to give them a quick mix. With those mixed, it's time to get your saucepan out. Into your saucepan goes your lime juice and zest. And just let that heat through for a few seconds, and then turn your gas or electric down onto low. Once that's heated up, it's time to go in with your egg and sugar. And then you're just going to keep whisking those. Get them mixed in with the lime juice, and then just keep whisking them. Don't stop, you don't want it to burn, you don't want it to turn to scrambled eggs. But do that on a low heat for between 5 and 10 minutes, and you'll feel it and also see it thickening up. When it's thickened up, turn it off the heat, and then go in with the butter, bit by bit though. Just let the butter melt into it. When you've incorporated the butter, just leave it 5 minutes to cool down a little bit, and then we're going to sieve it, get out the zest and any little lumps while it's still warm. So once it's cooled down a little bit anyway, time to get it into a fine mesh sieve. Just to get, like I said, the pith and any other tiny little lumps of egg or something that have formed. And then time to get it in a jar of some sort. You can keep it in the fridge for a few days, bearing in mind that there's no preservatives or chemicals, so it will go off, so use it within a few days. And then get it on your cakes, get it on toast, get it on crackers, but most of all, enjoy.